Hanging indent on Google Docs. So if you want to add a hanging indent on Google Docs, it's actually quite very simple to do. So there is the first line indent and there is the hanging indent, just depending on which one you want. First, we go to our Google Docs and open up any of our spreadsheet or the work we're doing. And we will simply select all of the text on which we want to add a hanging indent to. Once we have done that, we will simply go to this option called Format from the top. Then you can see Align and Indent, and there you can see the option called Indentation Options. So here under Special Indent, I could simply select the option called Hanging, and I can simply select a value. Once done, I can click the Apply button and it will select the indent for me. So this is how you can add a hanging indent on Google Docs. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in our next video.